To create a resume in Overleaf without any prior skills or experience. Start by creating an account on the website. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll be directed to the overleaf.com/projects page, where you can begin making your resume. Instead of starting from scratch, click on the Templates button at the top of the page. This will take you to a section with various templates, including CVs and resumes, which have been handpicked by Overleaf staff for their high quality and positive feedback. Browse through the available templates and select the one that suits your preferences. After choosing a template, click on it and then click the green Open as Template button. This will load the template, and you'll see two pages: the editor and the preview of your CV or resume. To make editing easier, switch from the code editor to the visual editor. This will make it more organized and easier to navigate. You can then start editing your resume by replacing the placeholder text with your own information, such as your name, email, phone number, and address. As you edit, you can click the Recompile button to see how your changes look in the preview. You can also edit other sections, such as your experience, job title, and skills. Once you've made all the necessary changes, you can download your resume as a PDF by clicking the Download PDF button. This will allow you to send it to potential employers or use it as needed. If you need to save your project and come back to it later, don't worry, Overleaf saves your changes automatically. To access your project again, simply go back to the Overleaf website, navigate to the Projects page, and click on your template to open it and continue editing. This tutorial provides a basic guide to creating a resume in Overleaf, and the end result should be a good enough resume to apply for jobs or send to potential employers.